Hi guys, I'm Rohit Arora from Gizbot. So now you are looking at Moto Z Play, which is priced at rupees 24,999 and will be available on Amazon and Flipkart. Unlike the Moto Z, this is not the sleekest handset in the market, and thus Motorola has managed to squeeze in a battery of 3510 milliampere capacity, which is much better than the battery on Moto Z, which is just 2600 milliampere. Moto Z Play has a 5.5-inch 1080p display. The display on Moto Z Play is also an AMOLED one and seems quite nice. Here we have the square shaped fingerprint sensor, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C USB port. Up top we have the SIM card slot and a microphone. On the right side we have the volume rockers and the power button, and the left side is plain empty. The rear side has a 16 megapixel camera with laser autofocus and face detection autofocus. The camera is paired up with dual tone LED flash and can record in 4K. Just like the Moto Z Play also has the magnetic connectors at the bottom to connect the Moto modes. The 4 Moto modes are compatible with both the smartphones. Let's see how the 16 megapixel camera on Moto Z performs. As you can see, the interface is exactly the same as we have seen on Moto Z. Let's take a shot. So the camera quality on Moto Z Play also seems quite decent. Here is the image that I just taken from the Moto Z Play. The detailing looks quite good. Let's explore some other aspects of the camera. So here we have a number of modes. We have a professional mode, slow motion, panorama, and the normal video and photo mode. The left side of the camera has the basic settings, like you can tweak the video size, the photo size, save the location, and quick capture. This is the front 5 megapixel camera of Moto Z Play. Let me take a shot. So the detailing on the Moto Z Play front camera is also good. Even after zooming the image to maximum, the loss of quality is quite negligible. Unlike the Moto Z Play is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset coupled with 3 GB of RAM. As I mentioned, the smartphone has a 3510 mAh battery unit, which as per company lasts up to 45 hours on a single charge. The smartphone runs Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow and has the similar Moto tweaks such as Moto Display, Moto Privacy, etc. This is the settings panel of the Moto Z Play. So as you can see, the smartphone has 3 GB of RAM, out of which 1.2 GB is available as of now. So there is 32 GB of internal memory, which can be expanded by up to 2 terabytes with the help of micro SD card slot. So this was the Moto Z Play, launched at a price of 24,999 in the Indian market. Do subscribe our channel to watch the latest videos from the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off from Gizbot.